Children, in this lesson, we will see some fun patterns of multiplication. Raju and Bablu are roaming in the market. Raju asks Appu the price of laddu. Appu told Raju that the price of laddu is 9 rupees per laddu. Raju quickly gave 18 rupees to Appu and took 2 laddus. Bablu was shocked. How Raju did this multiplication so quickly? Raju replied that he knows the magic of mathematics. Bablu could not understand anything. Bablu told Raju that he too wants to learn the magic of mathematics. Kids, do you also want to learn some math magic? Let us also learn with Bablu. First, Raju is teaching Bablu the easy way to memorize the table of 2 and 8. Raju is first referring to 2's table. He wrote these patterns in a table: 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in 2 lines. Now he wrote 0 in this way in front of 2, 4, 6 and 8 in 4 cells of the first line. And finally wrote a 1 like this next to the written 0. Now he wrote 1 in this way next to 2, 4, 6 and 8 out of the second line. And finally, he wrote 2 in this way next to 0. Children, did you see any magic? Yes, and that's a table of 2 right here. Now Raju is telling Bablu that he can easily make a table of 8 using a similar pattern. Raju once again made such a table. Now he filled these patterns in both lines: 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now in front of the digits written in the first line, Raju wrote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. Then in front of the digits written in the second line, he wrote 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this way. And the table of 8 was ready. Bablu excitedly told Raju that this magic math was great fun. Does any other table also show some patterns for easy memorization? Do you also want to see more math magic with Bablu? Raju tells Bablu that he can also tell him an easy pattern to memorize the tables of 3 and 7. Kids, do you know the game of cross and zero? Raju first designed the game of cross and zero in this way. He wrote the numbers from 1 to 9 in this pattern in the framework. Raju wrote 0 in front of the digits in the first line, 1 written next to the second line digit, and 2 written next to the digits of the third line. Bablu started dancing happily. Do you know why? Because he could see the table of 3 here. Now Raju made a structure similar to the table of 3 for a table of 7. But this time, Raju started writing numbers from 1 to 9 from this box. Then, next to the digits written in the first line, he wrote 0, 1, 2. Then next to the digits in the second line, he wrote 2, 3, 4. And in front of the digits of the third line, he wrote 4, 5, 6. Here we have our table of 7 ready. Bablu was so happy to learn these unique patterns of memorizing tables. And he also bought Raju 2 more laddus from Appu's shop. Children, in this lesson, we have seen some fun patterns of multiplication.